Okay, so it is the most beautiful day today. What degrees is it today?
17.5.
Oh, okay. Well, it's only 17.5 degrees, but it is so sunny, it's so lovely. So me and Dean got up this morning and we were going to be going shopping, but we decided because it's so lovely we don't really want to be stuck inside all day. So we're gonna go, where are we going? Graffham or Puxton Pits?
Graffham.
So we're going to Graffham Water, which is like 15 minutes from us, not even. So we decided to go to Graffham, so we're gonna go for a little walk around there. We just went to Tesco's and picked up some like fruit and veggies to have to eat while we're there. I just got this juice. Dean had this yesterday and he was like, oh, do you want a sip? Oh wait, you don't like orange. But I do like orange, but I'm just funny about like orange flavoured things, but I only like fresh orange. And this is the Innocent Super Juice in orange and blood orange, boosted with something cherries and vitamins to brighten your day. And oh my goodness, this is so good. It's like fresh orange juice, freshly squeezed, so it's got all the bits in it, which I love. I love like the bits in juice, or the pulp I think they call it. Is that what they call it, the pulp in America?
I don't know.
They call it the pulp, I think. But we call it juicy bits, but because pulp sounds gross, but juicy bits sounds nice. So yeah, it's with the juicy bits, but I just got some fruit, carrot sticks and hummus, and we're just gonna have a little walk around Graffham, and then have a little sit and a little snack. And then this evening we're gonna have a barbecue with Dean's family, and I'm going to attempt to make non-alcoholic PIMMS. So obviously if any of you know me, or if you've been watching for a while, you know that I don't drink alcohol purely through choice and for the fact that it is not good for my psoriasis, and I probably shouldn't drink on the medication that I take. So I don't drink any form of alcohol, but it isn't really that big of an issue to me because I don't really like the taste of alcohol. But the one drink that I do like is PIMMS. PIMMS and lemonade in the summer with all the fruit and the lime and the cucumber and everything. That is one thing that I literally love. So obviously they don't do a non-alcoholic version. So I googled it and there is a Slimming World non-alcoholic version. So I'm gonna make it, but it involves using balsamic vinegar. So I'm a little bit concerned about that because I'm like, balsamic vinegar and lemonade, is that going to be disgusting? Apparently it tastes exactly like PIMMS, so I'm intrigued to see whether it does or not. So yeah, I'm going to make that on vlog for you guys. So then if it is nice, you can follow the recipe, and if not, you can just laugh at me for thinking that it was going to be nice. Our little picnic. It looks kind of pathetic, but we just wanted a few snacks. So we both got one of these Innocent Juice Boosts, what they're called, super juices. I got the orange and blood orange, and Dean got the raspberry and cherry. We got some grapes, some reduced raspberries, extreme chili hummus, unsmoked hummus, and then a bag of carrots. And then we just got some coconut chunks as well. So we've got nice little healthy snacks while we're sat with this lovely view. Dean's aunt and uncle are coming, and Bump obviously because his auntie is pregnant. So we're gonna hang out with those guys here, and then is Jason Holly coming or not?
Possibly. And
Jason Holly, Dean's brother, and his girlfriend may be coming to meet us as well. Yeah, we're just gonna chill and enjoy the sunshine. This is very rare for England, so yeah, we definitely need to make the most of this. Carrot sticks and hummus. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Oh, it nearly spilled.
Odds on you having coconut in chili.
Oh no.
Odds.
No, I don't want to do that.
Odds.
0 to 2,000.
2,000?
Yeah.
Should be saying something like 20.
Okay, 0 to 20.
Just say 20, you don't need to say 0 to.
Oh, as it's not 0 to. Okay, 20. Odds on having coconut in chili hummus.
Yeah, on 3, yeah?
Yeah. 3, 2.
Wait. And if the two numbers add up to 20, then you have to do it.
Oh, what?
That's the rules. Alright, ready?
The whole piece or just a bite?
Yeah, just like a normal scoop. 2, 1, 7.
Oh, I didn't say it. Go again. 3, 2, 1.
13.
19.
Right, you're all good then.
Don't have. I don't have to have the coconut and chili. Why don't you try it?
No.
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 Dean.
Come on.
Dean. Oh my god.
Maybe it's because it's Canadian, they're just real friendly.
Maybe. Because they're Canadian, they're really friendly. Because Canadian people are very friendly. I have heard that Canadian geese are particularly not nice. I swear to Mary always calls them arse. Oh no, he's way too confident. Alan! Don't make him come closer! No, don't have my stop. Ah, he's eating my top! Okay, so I am making the sin-free, non-alcoholic PIMMS. So in a jug, I just cut up a few raspberries, some strawberries, some cucumber, half a lime, half a lemon, some pineapple, and then some mint. And just pop that all in there. I didn't really take like full measurements, I just did like a random amount. And then what you're supposed to put in is you're supposed to put in 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar and then the rest with lemonade. I got 7-Up just because it's lemon and lime. I'm not too sure how this is going to go, but I'm going to try it. So it looks exactly like PIMMS. So I'm just going to give it a mix. And then quite a lot of the recipes that I saw said to kind of leave it for like half an hour to kind of infuse with all of the different fruits and veggies that are in PIMMS. So it looks exactly the same. And I'm going to leave it for half an hour and then see what it's like. Okay, so oh, it's so smoky. Okay, so I'm going to try the sin-free Cinnamon World non-alcoholic PIMMS. Kind of looks a bit gross, but it looks exactly like PIMMS, to be fair. Just tastes like PIMMS. It literally just tastes like PIMMS. And it is sin-free, Cinnamon World, and alcohol-free, obviously. It's literally amazing. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you've liked this, obviously give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. A bit of a random one today, but obviously I wanted to just film a few little things. I feel like all my vlogs are a little bit random, and I will catch you in my next video.